that. It's hard to open. Okay. You wanted to see the toe. This is how it looks like. Welcome back to my channel. It's Megan Marinelli, and if you guys are new, welcome and thank you for watching this video. So today I am doing an unboxing again, and this time I'm doing the Tory Burch unboxing. So I purchased 2 items from their website and I got my package today from the mail, so I'm super excited to share with you what I got from Tory Burch. So if you guys wanted to see what's the items that I got from Tory Burch, please keep on watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new uploaded videos. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start. So this is the box, you guys. It's super huge. The reason why, because I got a pair of sandals and a big tote. That's why the box is really big, and this is how it looks like inside. So I pretty much opened it already. Right here, super fancy. So I got this envelope that comes with a receipt inside, the invoice. I don't know if you guys see it. So it's just pretty much a card envelope that comes with a receipt. Super fancy. And I got this card right here. Right there, and it says, let me open it. So it comes with a card that says, "Thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you loved it. Tory Burch." Right here, from Tory Burch. So this is the card from Tory Burch, and open it. Ta-da! So I think this is the sandals, you guys. So this is the sandals. Super fancy, right? I didn't realize that comes with this type of package, but I'm sure this is the sandals, so I'm gonna show this to you shortly. And then, super excited. Ta-da! And this is the tote. I didn't realize that comes with this packaging, I swear to God. I thought it will just come with like a plastic bag, and then the sandals comes with just the box, the shoe box. But I didn't realize it comes with this package, you guys. Super fancy. Look at that. Okay, so which one do you want me to show first? Okay, I'm gonna start with the sandals, and then we go from the toe. Okay, so I'm gonna open the sandals first. Right here. Oh my God, look at this. You can actually use this this bag. Look at that. It comes with this. I don't know how you call this one. It comes with this seal. And let's see. Wow. I am so stoked, you guys. Super excited with this. Look at this bag. You can reuse this one. So this is the sandals right here. Super cute. It comes with ribbon. Let me just take it out. Okay, so I got the sandals, and this is the style is the Miller nap block. Is that what you call it? Right here, nap black. I don't know how you pronounce it, but Miller nap black. And this is the nautical blue. I got the blue color. And okay, so I'm actually size 6, you guys, but their items were sold out, or basically their sizes were sold out. So I'm still fortunate to get the size 5.5, but I don't know if this is gonna fit me, but hopefully yes, because sometimes I can use, you know, 5.5 even if I'm size 6. But I got this the 5.5 size for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Dun, da, da, da. Open sesame. Open sesame. it comes with a dust bag right here. It comes with a dust bag. It smells really weird. It smells really weird, you guys, but it comes with a dust bag. And then the sandals. Oh my god, look at that. So these are the sandals, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and show it to you. But this is the sandals. And this is the other pair. Super cute. Look at that. This is the nautical blue sandals. These are super cute, right? I think this is actually the popular style for Tory Burch. I've been wanting to get this type of style, you guys, but never had any chance. But finally, it went on sale. I was longing to get the black one, but I don't think they have a black one this time for sale, you guys, because the original price for this one is, I think, 200 something, and it went on sale on for $100. So yeah. So these are the sandals. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and show it to you. Okay guys, so these are the sandals. Let me know what do you think about them. I love the color and the style, but usually when I'm wearing size 6, it will have a gap on my feet. But this one, this is actually just right size. So let me know what do you think about them. They're super cute, you guys. I love them. Yeah, and please excuse my feet, my toes. So yeah. Okay guys, so let me know what you think about the sandals, but I really love them. I love the color. They're super cute, and this is the nautical blue color, and this is the style Miller Nap Black. I don't know how you pronounce that one, but that's how it shows on the box. But let me know what you think about this sandal. So we're gonna move on to the tote. Okay, so this is the tote. Super excited to open it. Dun, da, da, da. So we're gonna open it. Same thing. Packaging is super cute. It comes with this seal right here. Can you hear that? It's hard to open. Okay. You wanted to see the toe. This is how it looks like. Oh, it's super huge. Oh my god. Super huge, you guys. Okay. Ta-da! Look at the tote, you guys. I don't know if you guys see it. Let me just move my camera. So look at the tote. This is the tote, and this is the back of the tote, and this is also nautical blue. So I basically match. I don't know, it just happened that when I went to the website, I didn't really intentionally match the color, but it turned out that it shows on their website they're on sale, and this is on sale as well. The original price for this one is, I think, 300 something, and it went on sale for, I think, 125 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll link everything down below. So turned out my sandals and the tote are matched. Look at that. See, it's super cute. I love this, the style and the color. Look at that, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna open it and show it to you inside. So by the way, you guys, the name of the tote is the Ella Puffer Tote, if you guys wanted to search that on their website. They also have a black one, and I think, I don't know if it's an olive color or beige, but you can also check it out on their website because they still have available for black color and I think beige color. So you can check it out. This is how it looks like, you guys. It's super, super cute. To me, it's more like royal blue color rather than nautical blue, but it's super cute because it has a gold hardware. You can actually close this like clip it. And inside the bag or the tote, this is how it looks like. It's super huge, you guys. Super pretty. It's also good for summer, like if you go to the beach, or you know, just like casual occasion. So this is the back of the tote, and inside the tote it has 2 compartments, and it's actually magnetic when you close it, right here, right there. And then inside it has 2 compartments, 1 pocket right here, right there, and then also right here that is it comes with zipper. I'm gonna open that, and it's also gold hardware inside, and it has the name Tory, Burch. I don't know if you guys see it right here, but it's super huge, you guys. Huge. I loved it. It's super simple but super unique tote. I have another, well, it's actually the same size of my gallery tote, the Coach, but overall I liked it. You can put anything, you know. I can even use this for as my diaper bag, but nope. But let me know what you think about it, you guys. So this is the tote, and pair them up with my sandals. So let me know what you think about them. Super cute, super pretty. That's all for today, you guys. Let me know what you think about the items that I got from Tory Burch, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Please subscribe to my channel, you guys. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support and your love. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.